Hi, Blake with BlvdHome. If you're watching this video, you're probably in the need for a new dishwasher. We're gonna go over the best dishwasher for 2025. We'll do a little bit of deep dive, kind of explain a few things about them, according to Consumer Reports and a lot of feedback that Consumer Reports been giving, plus my personal experience with these models. Let's get into it. Number 3, it is the Miele dishwasher. The score on this unit is a 65 according to Consumer Reports. The noise level for this dishwasher is about 43 decibels. It is a really quiet dishwasher, so if you're in a big open area or you're in a big open kitchen with an island, you're not going to have that noise carrying throughout the kitchen or into an adjoining room. Basic breakdown of this dishwasher, it does have 3 racks in it. You have your lower rack, your middle rack, and you have an upper rack up here, and this is for your silverware, which keeps your stuff all separated, allows it so water can get in between everything and get it nice and clean. Silver rack is definitely a must in today's dishwashers. The racks are adjustable. On the bottom rack, you do have some foldable tines. They are indicated by yellow markers, so anything with has a yellow tab on it, the tines do fold. But that's the basic features of this dishwasher as far as how it loads, but definitely refer to using care manual on how to properly load this one, or you're going to be regretting it later because you're not going to like it very much. Also, Consumer Reports gives this a high predictability as far as long life for this product. Drying is not great. That's got to expect it with a new dishwasher. It's simple controls as far as up here. Basically push a button and get it the cycle you want and press go. It has a nice stainless steel interior. It is easy to, as far as cleaning it out, you do have some easy clean outs on it. With this particular racking system they use, you do have to follow the use and care instructions pretty closely to be able to know how to load your dishwasher properly. Because if not, you're going to have a lot of wasted space in there. You're going to feel like a lot doesn't fit into it and stuff won't get clean. To really get into a deep dive, you have to go online, download their owner's manual, and read through it that way. And a lot of us don't have the time. And let's be honest, if you've seen enough of my videos, who reads the owner's manual? I mean, that's what the technicians are for. Now, from a servicing aspect, Miele's, if they break, they're expensive and kind of difficult to fix. So if you do have a failure with these, be expecting higher costs as far as repairing this one versus some other manufacturers. For number 2 on our list for dishwashers for 2025, and that's the KitchenAid dishwasher. It has a rating score from Consumer Reports of a 72. It runs about 44 decibels. It's still a very quiet dishwasher. Funny thing about it, when they give you that score, when you break it down and look at the list, it has a 3 out of 5 as far as predicted reliability score. So that's not very high for an expensive dishwasher. It's kind of low. But the dishwasher itself, it does have 3 racks in it. It is adjustable. The racks feel a lot more sturdy than Miele's do, in my opinion. It's got a nice wash plate in it. It does have your upper utensil rack where you definitely need that for that 3rd rack. It just works so much better. Got a nice knurled handle at the front. Feels really good when you pull it open, and it has a nice feel to it with the hinges when it opens and closes. From a servicing aspect of it, we have had some issues with motor with this unit. I'll be straight up honest with you. KitchenAid does warranty them, but we have had a little bit more issues with the wash motor and the wash area. Some premature failures with that compared to other brands. Again, just take that as a note, but this, again, we're basing this off of what Consumer Reports is telling us. But the one thing that, as with this unit, that does have a pleasant surprise is it has a really great drying rating. It has a fan assist drying, which definitely gets your dishes dry compared to most of the condensive or the evaporative type of drying systems that these dishwashers currently use. I would definitely look at this unit because it is a very solid unit, and I think you'd be happy with it in your home. The number 1 dishwasher is the Bosch dishwasher. This dishwasher runs about 44 decibels as far as noise. The top 8 of the 10 dishwashers are a Bosch dishwasher, and they come in different models, different makes, different configurations. But I will tell you, with the Bosch dishwasher, they're very similar to each other. There are some key differences between them, but basically the wash system is the same. True disclosure, I have purchased this, and this dishwasher is in my parents' home. They absolutely love it, and I love this dishwasher because I never have to repair it. And that's why I'm very confident with this dishwasher. This does have an auto air feature. Now, what the auto air feature is, if you select the auto air at the end of the cycle, the dishwasher will pop open to that spot right there, as you can see, and then it will allow the dishwasher to dry out. Because this doesn't have a great dry ability as far as what Consumer Report says. It says it has a drying ability of a 3, which is probably correct because, like I said, it's a condensing type drying system, so it doesn't dry very well. But with the auto air feature, it helps it out tremendously. You have 3 racks with this unit. The racks are very nice. They are deep. They hold a lot of things. Again, you have to refer to use and care manual with this product to be able to really see the proper way to possibly load this. You have 2 different colors of tines in there. Basically, that tells you which ones fold and which ones don't. One's a darker gray, one's a lighter gray. Upper rack, really nice upper rack up here, really deep. Again, stuff folds down. And then you also have your 3rd rack up here as far as putting putting your silverware in. It washes like nothing else. One thing I will honestly be straight up forward with you, this part up here doesn't tell you a whole lot, and this is one thing I am kind of a little disappointed with the Bosch dishwasher, because what they have up here with your features, when you select a cycle, you have a greater than 2 hours, less than 2 hours, less than 1 hour, or clean. It doesn't tell you a whole lot. The Home Connect app, which I highly recommend, again, my parents are in their 80s, they can control it. With the app, it gives you the ability to see what the dishwasher is doing, how long is left in the cycle, what it's doing in the cycle, maintenance tips. All that stuff is really convenient in the app. 2025, this is the best dishwasher for the money. I will stand behind this dishwasher, and I'll stand behind what Consumer Report says on this dishwasher. I hope this video has been informative, and I hope you've gotten some good information out of it. If you have any questions or would like to comment on the video, please put it below in the comment section. We'll see what we can do to answer those for you. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again real soon.